Hey there, Ali G here. In just the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you how with only 3 clicks, you'll be able to tap into 75% of the marketplace that's ignored by everybody else and get targeted traffic overnight. But before I do that, let me ask you this. Did you know that 75% of the searches made on the internet are not in English? But still you try to rank only for English keywords. Did you know that YouTube has over 3 billion searches a month? 75% are not even in English. Doing the math, that's 2.2 billion searches each month in foreign languages. They're searching each day after your offer, after product reviews, e-com products, local business reviews, discounts, coupons. You can't even imagine how much money you're leaving on the proverbial table. What would happen if we could tap into the rest of the 75% of the market? What if you could start ranking for all the top foreign languages? Well, prepare to be amazed. And don't think that we worked day and night for this. Nope. With only a few clicks, we ranked in Spanish, French, even German. You've never seen targeted traffic coming in this fast to your websites. And don't worry, foreign traffic is quite used to buying from English websites. Check out our affiliate sales, our product sales, and even our e-com results. I'll tell you right from the start that we have an unfair advantage. We found a way to break the language barrier. We found a way to make our videos change the titles and descriptions depending on the foreign language of the viewer. More than that, we found a way to make a single video start ranking for all the foreign languages that we want. Yeah, you heard me right, one single video. Check out the title of this video. When I watch it from New York, how to repair your drone. But when my partner Stoica from Romania watches it, and he's not a native English speaker, Cum se repari o drona, that's Romanian. And check out the title of the same video when I check it out from here in Berlin, Germany. So reparian si era drona. And this is only the tip of the iceberg. I continue showing you this for the most popular 100 foreign languages around the world. Now you can understand why, while testing this method, we got a 90% increase in click-through rate and 3 times more views and more traffic from one single video. I'm sure this has you intrigued, and the truth is I only speak English. I didn't translate anything on my own. I told you a bit earlier that I have an unfair advantage. Introducing Lingo Blaster, the only software that with only 3 clicks will translate and rank your videos for the most popular 100 languages and triple your traffic overnight and tap into the 75% of the market that's not targeted by any other marketer. Until now, to rank for multiple languages, you had to create a new video for each language. Write the title and description on your own or hire a translator, and after that, upload each video to YouTube. That process would take days, if not weeks, and it would be ultra expensive. But don't worry, what used to take weeks now takes seconds. 3 clicks and you'll dominate any niche.
You just have to open our cloud-based software, and click number 1, you select a video from your YouTube account. Let's choose this one. The video we just selected will be translated and ranked for foreign languages. Click number 2. Select the languages that you want. Let's go with German, Spanish, Russian, Chinese, and Hindi. As soon as you click the next step button, Lingo Blaster will automatically start translating your video. No need to pay for translating services, everything is automated. And click number 3, just hit publish, and Lingo Blaster will start working its magic. I already have this video open. You see it has the original English title, but now after we targeted German in Lingo Blaster, when I refresh the page, boom. Magically now it shows with the German title, because right now I'm in Germany and the same thing applies for all the other languages.
Easy as that. Like I said, just 3 clicks. And now you're a video marketing rock star with the power to drive free targeted traffic from anywhere in the world to your offers. It's 100 times easier to rank for, say, Samsung phone review in German than in English, or Bulgarian, or Spanish, or Portuguese, Cantonese, and 100 other languages. Your video will stand out from your competitors because you will be the only one who will address to your viewers in their native languages. And because of that, your traffic will be converting 10 times better. I want you to take a moment to imagine if starting tomorrow, all the videos that you ever uploaded online would start delivering you highly targeted traffic from all around the world. Can you imagine that? Do you want to make that a reality? Well, here's the thing. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, and spend a fortune trying to do this manually. Paying for translations for a single video will cost at least $2,000. But don't worry, you won't have to pay that. I'm offering everything you need on a silver platter. All you've got to do is take action. So for that reason, you don't have to pay $2,000. For a limited time, you're going to get the deal of a lifetime. You can get Lingo Blaster for a ridiculously low one-time fee. So all you need to do now is take action and click the buy button below this video. The price you see on this page is the lowest it'll ever be, and in fact, the price increases with each minute that passes. If you want to lock in the price, don't refresh the page, don't bookmark it for later. Just go ahead and click the buy now button below and get Lingo Blaster today. Once the launch ends, the price shoots way up. But hey, look, honestly, even at $975, that's an incredible deal for the power you're being granted. You'll make that amount back in no time by tapping into the worldwide traffic that is searching after your offer each and every day. I'm 100% confident that Lingo Blaster is exactly what you need to finally get your videos noticed, start ranking for foreign keywords, and get highly targeted YouTube traffic to your websites and offers. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my "this will work for you too," no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee. So now that you have no risk, you will also have no excuses. Click the buy now button below right now. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about the bonus. Because I want anyone and everyone to be able to profit from the power of Lingo Blaster, even for beginners and newbies. I'll give you our 30-minute ranking machine training series and show you how in 30 minutes you will have your first video created from scratch, uploaded, and ranked on the first page of YouTube, guaranteed. Imagine what it would be like in 1 week from today, all your traffic worries were gone. Think about Pedro from Mexico searching after a new drone to buy for his kid. When he will see your video in Spanish, he will click it and buy through your affiliate link. Can you imagine that? Well, now do you want to make it a reality? If so, what are you going to do? Keep doing what you've been doing? Keep getting the results that you've been getting? Or are you ready to take the shortcut to free traffic success? Are you ready to break all language barriers? If so, click the buy now button below and profit from this crazy low discounted price and tap into the 75% of the market that's ignored by everybody else. I look forward to seeing you on the inside in the Lingo Blaster members area.
I live here in Australia, and I've always wanted to tap into the Asian market because I know it's a huge market. I've been beta testing Lingo Blaster for just 3 weeks, and already I see a 70% increase in traffic just by updating my old videos.
If there's 20 people in the room and I'm trying to sell something, why should I limit myself to just trying to sell to 5 of them? I want to sell to all 20, and so should you. So Lingo Blaster is the fastest, quickest way I know of doing this. Okay guys, thanks. Got to get back to making a video.
I live here in Southern California. There's a very large Spanish-speaking population that I've completely ignored. There's a very large Vietnamese community here in Southern California, and my videos are, not reaching them. A lot of these people do online searches in their own native language, even though they can read English. So I am going to be paying a lot more attention to this, and I thank you for the opportunity to take a look at Lingo Blaster, and I would encourage others to take seriously the opportunity to extend your reach. Okay? Anyway, be good. We'll see you later. Bye.